This is my super affiliate system and Clicknomics review plus video walkthrough. So disclaimer, this is not a paid review. This is based from my experience, and I am also an affiliate of super affiliate system. So about me, I am Jan Bilanghel. I am a OFW nurse in Qatar. So na-try ko na iba-ibang online business models, mapa forex, dropshipping, gamit ang eBay to Amazon strategy. Na-try ko na din mag Google AdSense, Black Hat, Gray Hat, MLM, mga high yield investment programs. So today, in this review, I will show you what is super affiliate system, what's inside, mga pros and cons, and who it is for, and my honest verdict as a newbie. So, konting background lang. So, we will be talking about affiliate marketing most of the time. So, this is about affiliate marketing. Para may idea ka, sa affiliate marketing, ganito siya nag-work. So, may mga companies katulad ng Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok na may affiliate program. So, pag nag-enroll ka sa kanila, magkakaroon ka ng unique affiliate link. So, ngayon, pag may buyer at nag-click ng unique affiliate link mo, bumili, magkakaroon ka ng commission. So, ganun yung concept sa affiliate marketing. Yung buyer, click yung affiliate link mo and then bumili, automatic may commission yun. So, yun yung system ng affiliate marketing. So, what is super affiliate system? Isa siyang all-in-one app na may complete tools, training, and winning products para makapagsimula ka ng profitable online business. Kahit beginner ka at wala kang experience para hindi mo kailangan mag-setup ng business from scratch. Dito lahat na kailangan mo ay naka-ready na para mas mabilis at madali kang makapag-start. So, this is an affiliate marketing system by Clicknomics. So, ganito lang siya. So, kung alam mo yung Grab na application, isa siyang app kung saan nandun na lahat. May Grab Car, Grab Food, Grab Mart, yan, Dine Out, Load, halos nandun na lahat. So, the same with super affiliate system. Lahat na kailangan mo para sa isang affiliate marketing business, nandun na. So, meron ka ng tools, meron ka ng website, sales team, customer support, email marketing, and then meron ka na ding winning products na ipopromote mo, more on health and wellness, business opportunity, and travel. Yan yung mga evergreen product na laging may demand. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga products. And then, sa trainings, kasama na yung daily live coaching during weekdays. Merong FB ads, content creation, sales and marketing, and then mindset to be a successful entrepreneur. Ngayon, nasabi ko kanina na yung super affiliate system is under Clicknomics. So, what is Clicknomics? Clicknomics is the first revenue sharing affiliate program na may products na pwede mo i-promote. Then, pag may bumili, gamit ang link mo, may commission ka. So, Clicknomics legalities, merong SEC registration, and then mayor's permit, and then certificate of registration. Meron din tayong office sa Fairview, Quezon City. So, yung Clicknomics system is parang parehas sa system na ginagawa ng Jollibee. So, sa Jollibee, paano ba sila kumita ng bilyon? So, dito sa Jollibee, ang strategy nila is meron silang product na mura. Yan yung front end. And then, pangalawa, mayroong mga back end and upsells. Ito yung tatanungin ka kung gusto mag-upgrade ng large fries, large Coke, o kaya kung gusto mo ng dessert. So, i-upsell ka nila. And then, third is sell again and again to customers. Ito yung repeat repeat customers or orders. So, yung Clicknamics, ganun din yung ginagawa na system niya. So, how to earn millions and become a super affiliate in Clicknamics? So, may 4 na type of affiliate. So, yung poor affiliate, walang offer. Average affiliate, yung mga front-end offers lang, yung katulad sa TikTok, yung magbebenta ka ng item, yan. Mga average affiliate lang yan. Sa rich affiliate naman, but again, yung sa TikTok, kailangan mo din makabenta ng marami para and then sa rich affiliate, meron kang front end, merong back end. Pero pag wealthy affiliate ka, merong front end, back end, and subscription products. So, yun ang maging strategy mo dito sa Clicknamics. So, how you can make millions with Clicknamics? So, sa Clicknamics, yun nga, sabi ko, may front-end products. Ito yung super affiliate system. And then, back-end or upsell products. Plus, yung subscription products. So, mamaya explain ko yan. So, sa super affiliate system, once na nag-decide ka na mag-purchase ng system, may makuha kang starter health and wellness bundle. So, 1 shake and slim, 4 holy herbs na worth 3,400. So, yung holy herbs, first and only Bible-based health supplement siya in the Philippines. So, na-try ko na din to. Masarap yung lasa niya, tsaka lasang parang grapes. So, ito yung ingredients niya. 12 healing plants and herbs from the Bible. So, organic barley, grass, grapes extract, olive extract, cinnamon, pomegranate, aloe vera, milk thistle, cumin, parsley, and garlic at turmeric. So, ang ganda ng ingredients. Ang ganda ng ingredients na. So, shake and slim, it suppresses appetite, boosts energy and metabolism, and supports anti-aging. Ito yung bundle niya, worth 3,400. Plus, yung may kasama pa siyang daily live training worth 20,000 pesos. Zoom training siya every 7 to 8 p.m. Philippine time. So, merong Marketing Mondays by Coach J. Gregorio. More on sales and marketing to. And then, sa Tuesday, Transformation Tuesday by The Josh. By the way, The Josh is CEO siya ng VoiceBox Philippines. So, best training about some business growth. So, Wednesday naman, so Wellness Wednesday by Coach Angelo Supremo and Dr. Jeline Fermin and Dr. Edward Timonera, more about sa products. So, sa Tribe Thursday by Coach Edward and Van Calianta, more on sales process ng Clicknamics, about commissions, etc. And then, Friday, more on Faith Friday, more on personality development by Coach Van Calianta. And then, kasama na din yung starter training bundle sa super affiliate system. So, 7 steps to success, promote to profit, and rapid results strategy. Ito yung step by step kung paano ka mag-start ng negosyo at paano ka kikita sa negosyo. So, this is for 15,000 pesos. So, ipapakita ko to sa iyo mamaya. And then, bonus is magkakaroon ka ng starter affiliate account worth 45,000 pesos. Yung website, tsaka yung system. Plus, magkakaroon ka ng onboarding and coaching worth 5,000 pesos para mag-guide ka. Meron din tayong success support and community. Yan, Facebook page. Nandyan lahat. So, ito yung makukuha mo once nag-purchase ka ng super affiliate system. Yung total value na is 93,000 pesos. Pero, babayaran mo lang is 2,999. So, limited time offer lang yan. So, how to promote this to earn commission? Once na naging super affiliate ka na, you can use the super affiliate system funnel. Ito yun. So, magagamit mo yung website kung saan merong video explanation, mga testimonials, yan. And then, pag may customer ka or may prospect ka na nag-visit nito at nag-purchase, saan na? At nag-purchase, mapupunta siya sa next page, which is yung payment details. Ito yung payment system. And then, after mo ng payment, yan, ipaprocess or automatic na sa next step. Under review or kung mga card, mas mabilis. Ganun yung funnel. Kumbaga, yung system na magpa-process ng payment para mapunta siya dito, payment sa next step na. So, video walkthrough. Ito yung okay. So, once na nag-avail ka ng super affiliate system, ito yung ma-access mo, which is yung Click University. Yung 7 steps training, ito, Facebook ads training. Magagamit mo to kung gusto mong mabilis yung results ng negosyo. Tsaka ito, promote to profit. Yan. 7 steps. Yan, step 1, 2, 3. Yun yung basic. Paano mag-start ng negosyo. Ayan. Strategy, how to start using the Clicknomics super affiliate system. Yan, tuturuan ka dyan. And then, Facebook ads. Yan, Facebook ad training. Yung promote to profit. Rapid referral. More on marketing to. Then, sa Click Market, dito mo makikita yung mga products na pwede mo i-promote. Keep calm, more on stress, sleep mood support supplement. Glucostrol, more on sa blood sugar support. Ito sobrang effective nito kasi ginagamit ko to. Kasi pre-diabetic na ako kaya malaking tulong to. Meron naman sa heart and then meron pang iba. Coming soon to mga products na to. Holy herbs and shake and slim. Yan, mga health and wellness. May beauty din. Coming soon yung iba. And then, yung about money and business. Ito yung Clicknomics or super affiliate system. Meron ding Pinoy Online Travel Biz. Kung gusto mo mag-promote ng mga more on travel biz, yan. Mga high ticket to. Pwede ka kumita ng up to 70,000 per order. So, yun. Ito yung mga products. And then, Click Nation. Ito yung Facebook groups. Facebook. So, ito yun. Nandito yung mga members. So, as of now, may 1,400 na. Ito yung mga coaches natin. Si Coach J, si Coach Josh, Coach Edward, Coach Angelo, and then Coach Van. Yan. Dito mo makikita sa group yung mga commission ng members. Yan, mga videos, mga contents na pwede mo gawin. And then and then Click Nation, yun yung Click Builder para to sa intermediate to advanced na marketer. So ganito siya, more para siyang click funnels. Actually ang nagagamit ko lang dito is yung sites. Yan. Sa sites. Andito yung mga ready-made funnels. Yan, yung Clicknomics funnel, Glocostrol, for example, ganyan. Mga bridge page kung mag-FB ads ka. So, ganito siya. So, for example, ito. Pwede mo ma-edit. Ito yung, yan. May headline, sub-headline, photo, and then call to action. Pwede mo din ma-edit yan. Sana. So, yun. Marami pang iba. Meron naman sa sana yun? Glocostrol, Keepcam, yung travel base, webinar. Pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mo. Ito yung ginawa ko. Again, optional to. Nasa sa'yo. Yan. So, yan. May opt-in page ka. Yan, pwede mo to gawin. So, yun. And then, saan na? Ito yung dashboard mo. Makikita mo yung mga visits, referrals. Yan. Yan. So, yun yung video walkthrough. How much is your commission? So, papasadaan lang natin to. So, starter bundle. Kung starter bundle ka, may 15% ka sa mga customers mo na bumili din ng starter bundle. So, 50% times 2,999. So, 450. So, ito yung basic, pro, VIP, and elite. Iba-ibang package yan. Mas mataas na package, mas malaki yung commission rate. So, for example, starter ka, 15% ang commission mo sa mga bumili din ng starter bundle. So, for example, tatlo ang bumili ng starter bundle. So, 450 times 3 kasi 450 ang commission mo sa isang starter bundle. So, 1,350 kung daily nakakatatlo ka. So, kung daily ang total commission mo, so 1,350 times 30, nasa 40,500 per month. So, for example computation lang to. Kung nakaka 3 starter package daily ka. So, in a month, 40,000. In a year, 486,000. Pero kung basic, pro, VIP, syempre mas mataas. So, mamaya, i-explain ko yung mga ibang package na yun. So, sa Jollibee, yung may mga upsells and back-end offer siya. So, sa Clicknomics, ganun din. So, ganito pala gumagana yung upsell and back-end process. So, kung may customer ka, bumili ng starter bundle or yung super affiliate system, ma-access nila yung training, and then magkakaroon sila ng coaching. Doon sa coaching or onboarding, tatanungin sila ng mga coaches natin kung gusto nila mag-upgrade. Kung yung customer mo nag-upgrade sa higher package, bumili ng higher package, magkakaroon ka ng commission. So, yun ang nagandang ko dito. Kumbaga, hindi ikaw yung nag-close deal sa mga prospects mo, pero may commission ka. So, ganun yung process. So, new upsell and offers back-end process to help you earn more commissions. Anong mga to? So, ito yung mga upgrades and upsells. Number 1, Health Builder Bundle or yung basic. So, worth 19,999, may 20k ka worth of products. Commission mo sa back end, 10%. May DLR kang 1 million per year limit. So, mamaya explain ko yung DLR. Another package is yung Health Power Bundle or your Pro, worth 39,999. May products kang worth 40,000 pesos. Free training, free upgrade to Pro account, back-end commission na 20%, and DLR na 2 million per year limit. And then the Victory Bundle or VIP, so worth 999, pero may worth 100k na products. Free training worth 100k, free upgrade to VIP account, back-end sales commission 25%, and DLR na 3M per year limit. At meron namang ibang options worth 109. And then Elite Bundle, may 200k worth of products ka, free training, Elite account, plus 30% na commission sa backend, plus no limit sa DLR. So 199,999. So other options ng Elite na package, so full body therapeutic massage chair siya. And then other options naman, 249,999, Nirvana Majestic Full Body Therapeutic Massage Chair. Yan, training, Elite account. Yan. How much is your potential back-end commission? So, ito yung mga back-end commission, yung mga package na mga upgrades. So, kung starter ka, nakabenta ka ng builder package na worth 19,000 pesos, so may 1,000 ka. So kung starter ka, yung 2,999, may prospect kang nag-upgrade sa Elevate worth 1,999. So 5% ng nito, may commission kang 10%. So ganun dun sa basic, Pro, VIP. Ito yung mga commission rate nila. Mas mataas yung package na bilhin mo, mas malaki yung commission rate mo. So kung ako sa'yo, hanggat maaari, doon ka na sa pinakamataas na commission. Kasi kung iisipin mo yung 199 sa negosyo, ang lit lang yan. Baka pang ano lang yan sa traditional business, yung gamit mo pa lang to sa tindahan, 199. So, meron din silang 100k worth of free travel, gadgets, luxury items. So, ang gagawin mo lang is to earn 100,000 commissions from front end and back end. Yung super affiliate system plus yung mga upgrades. Total of 100k, magkakaroon ka ng 100k worth of free travel. Kung bibigyan ka ng company ng 100k. It's up to you kung gadgets, luxury items, or travel. Ito yun. Then, pwede convertible to cash. Kaya lang 10% may tax. So, yearly ang qualification ng free 100k worth of free gadgets, travel, and items, luxury items. Kailangan mo lang mag-purchase ng worth of 999 na products monthly. Meron ding get 1M, 2M, 3M plus worth of fully paid brand new car. Ganito siya. Kung ang kailangan mo lang gawin is magkaroon ng commission na worth 1, 2, or 3M commission, front end and back end. So, 12-month period from March 18 to February 28, 2026. Magkakaroon ka ng 1M, 2M, 3M worth of free car incentives. Pwede din convertible to cash, pero may tax. Yearly qualification. So, pwede mo ito ma-hit every year. So, ang gagawin mo lang is mag-purchase ng products worth of 999. So, dito sa Dream Lifestyle Reward Limit per affiliate account. So, magkakaroon ka lang nito kung basic, pro, or VIP, or elite. Yung starter, hindi ka dito qualified. So sa basic, 1 million limit per year, 2 million limit per year, 3 million limit per year. Sa Elite, unlimited. So, kumbaga, ito yung ibibigay ng company ng Clicknomics sa'yo per year. So, ganito siya. So, for example, nakaka 3 starter package ka, nakakabenta ka ng tatlong 2,999. So, pag starter ka, hindi ka qualified sa Dream Lifestyle Reward. So, sa basic lang ito magsimula. So, sa basic, sabihin natin, nakakabenta ka ng tatlong super affiliate system na package na worth 2,999 per day. So, per day nakakatatlo ka. So, in a month, 3 times 30, nakaka 90 sales ka. So, ang commission mo is per month is 67,500. So, in a year, 810,000. So, ngayon, yung 19 taong to, ang upsell rate, sabi natin, 30% ng 19 tao nag-upgrade ng basic, pro, or VIP. So, ang average upsell is, sabi natin, average, sa 27 na taon nag-upgrade, may total sales siyang 1,080,000. So, sa sales na yon may commission ka. Back-end commission, 10%. So, 10% ng 1,080,000, may 108,000 pesos ka per month. So, times 12, 1,296,000. Plus, ito yung back-end. Plus, yung front-end, 810,000 is equal, tapos total in a year, front-end plus back-end, magkakaroon ka ng total na 2,106,000 pesos. So, dahil may yung daily Dream Lifestyle Reward, pag basic ka, 1 million pesos lang limit per year ang mabibigay ng company sa'yo. So, ngayon, bibigyan ka ng company ng 1 million. Hanggang dun lang bibigay ng company. So, dahil na-hit mo yung 100k incentive, bibigyan ka ng company ng 100k. Ito yun. Yun. 100k pag nakahit ka ng, bibigyan kang ng company ng 100k pag naka-receive ka ng commission na worth 100k. So, kumbaga, tatapat na ng company yun. Plus, at dito na papasok yung 1 million incentive sa basic. So, bibigyan ka ng company ng 1 million. Total, commission mo, 2,106 plus 100k plus 1 million is equals to 3,206,000 pesos. So, ganun nag-work yung Dream Lifestyle Reward. So, ang limit ng basic is 1 million, basic ng pro, 2 million, VIP, 3 million. Pag Elite, unlimited, walang limit. So, for example, naka-pro ka, nakabenta ka ng front-end and back-end. So, 2.5 front-end and back-end na benta mo. So, bibigyan ka ng company ng 2 million lang. Hanggang dun ka lang. So, kung VIP ka, let's say, in a year, nakabenta ka ng 5M, ang ibibigay lang sa'yo ng company is 3M. Ganun siya. So, kung Elite, kung kumita ka ng commission na, let's say, 5 million, bibigyan ka ng company ng 5 million din, walang limit. So, yun ang advantage ng Dream Lifestyle Reward. So, same effort but different results. Pero, nakadepende pa rin sa tao to kung masipag ka. So, yung Dream Lifestyle Reward monthly purchase requirement. So, mag-purchase ka lang ng product worth 999 sa Click Market. So, 999 divided by 30. So, almost 33 pesos per day lang yun. So, ang mura. So, ito yung pagpipilian mo na subscription options. So ngayon, dapat sa buong taon, ma-maintain mo siya. Every month, nagpo-purchase ka ng product worth $999. So for example, April, the whole year, subscribe ka, kaya lang nung April nakalimutan mo. So yung Dream Lifestyle Reward, di mo yun makukuha. So yung, for example, naka 100 subscribers ka, yung nag-subscribe ng 999 pesos. So ito yung posible mo din kitain. Ayan. Siyempre, the more na subscribers, mas malaki ang kita mo. Ito yung mga subscription commission mo. Pag starter, 5%, basic, 10%, pro, 20%, VIP, 25%, elite, 30%. So, what makes Super Affiliate System or Clicknomics different? Number one, Pinoy friendly. So, malaking tulong to. Maintindihan. Number two, step-by-step system, training. So, di ka na mahihirapan. May daily live coaching din. May tools and funnels already provided. Focused on beginner success. So, ngayon, who is this system for? Para to sa mga OFWs na gusto na umuwi for good, mga employees na pagod na ng 9 to 5, mga stay-at-home moms, small business owners, freelancers who want passive income, or kung sinong gusto mag-start ng online business. Who is this not for? So, people looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. So, yung mga gusto ng mga easy money, hindi to para sa taong mga ganun. So, those not willing to commit, so sasali ka, tapos hindi ka din mag-commit, hindi to para sa'yo. So, and then next, tamad matuto o sumubok. Hindi din to sa mga taong tamad. This is not for you kung tamad ka or tamad ka matuto or sumubok. So, mayroon din tong 10,000 pesos refund. Pero, syempre, kailangan i-follow mo yung rules. Yung rules nandun sa website. So, for $2,999 for limited time, may lifetime access ka na, may product bundle plus coaching. So, risk-free din kasi may refund guarantee. So, pros and cons, beginner friendly, guided mentorship, no tech skills required, pwede sa mga newbies. So, ang cons lang, requires effort and learning. Ito, sa simula, kahit anong negosyo, kailangan mo talaga mag-effort. Paano gawin yung negosyo? And then, has optional upsells. Ito, optional naman ang upsells, yung mga higher ticket products, optional to. So, not for the lazy or impatient users. Yung mga tamad-tamad, yung mga gusto ng easy money, hindi to para sa kanila. So, frequently asked questions. Legit ba? So, masasabi ko na legit. And, na-experience ko na din. Hindi ako techie. Ito, system is for non-techies. Kahit wala kang alam, pwede to sa'yo. Wala akong puhunan. Only $2,999. May product bundle ka na. So, ang mura na nito kung magne-negosyo ka. May website ka na, may sales system ka na, may process, lahat. So, kung busy ka, pwede mo itong gawin part-time. Yung free time mo lang. So, final verdict, best system for beginners in 2025. So far, sa lahat ng nakita kong online business, ito ang the best. And may done for you. Done for you system na siya. Ang gagawin mo na lang is magpo-promote. Ngayon, sa pagpo-promote, nandun na sa training kung paano ka mag-promote, paano ka magka-resulta ng mas mabilis. And then, step by step, madali sundan, low risk, may support. Yan, may chat support pala to. Pwede ka mag-message during weekdays. So, honest recommendation, I do really recommend trying it, lalo sa mga newbies. So, next step, click may ilalagan akong link sa baba kung gusto mo mag-start sa super affiliate system. And then if you join my link, may ibibigay akong bonuses and may free 15-minute coaching din ako pag nag-join ka gamit yung link ko. Bibigay ko din yung mga AI prompts ko, tsaka yung mga step-by-step guide. And then message me for help or questions, and then follow mo yung page ko and YouTube account. Okay, so thank you. So see you sa next video ko.